If your Cadillac XT5 Apple CarPlay is lagging or won't connect, don't head to the dealership just yet. Data shows that 85% of CarPlay failures are caused by software glitches rather than hardware defects. Let's walk through the troubleshooting playbook to get your Q system back online. Start with a hard system reboot by holding the home and fast forward buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. Always use an Apple certified cable, as cheap third-party wires often fail to transmit data to the Q system. Verify that CarPlay is allowed while your phone is locked in your iPhone's General Settings menu. Newer XT5 models support wireless CarPlay, but a physical wire is still the most reliable connection method. Replacing a worn-out cable solves nearly half of all reported connection issues for Cadillac owners. If software resets fail, a 10-minute battery disconnect can often force the HMI module to restart. Keep a spare genuine Apple cable and a 10mm wrench in your glove box for quick roadside resets. Most tech issues are physical. A clean port and a fresh cable are your best friends here. If these steps helped you get back on the road, hit subscribe for more Cadillac troubleshooting guides.